Where am I? What is this place? Don't you know? This is goddamn Ikea Heights.
Tell me, where are you hiding the pickles?
I'll never tell.
Those weren't my wife's pickles. Now tell me where you hid them.
Right where you hit the grapes.
Hey, you seem pretty new here. Don't worry, you're safe now. You've reached the safe haven.
Who are you?
We are the same as you.
We've all been lost ones, ventured too far into Ikea.
But we were found by the makers of Ikea Heights, the first to have been lost before.
Now because of him, in Ikea Heights, everyone is safe.
You must meet the maker.
I've been expecting you. Please, step into my office. Here, let me just set this up for you right here. Many years ago, I went into Ikea for some new furniture, as one does, and I kept walking through until there was no one. I was lost. Years I spent trying to survive and make some kind of life here in this anomaly. Soon, many others slowly began losing their path. They seeked for shelter. They seeked for answers. This is when I started this town.
I'm not staying here. How do we escape?
Escape? No. Ikea Heights is our new home. Our
These
new
people
lives.
need the truth. They need the option to leave and go back to their normal lives.
Their normal lives don't mean anything
No.
to them anymore. I see now that their path led them straight here, straight to Ikea Heights. That can be no coincidence. They are happier now that they're here. I've saved them. This is their truth. I'm like a god to them, their savior.
You're fake, a poser. You're not saving them. You're using them to save yourself. I will escape. We all will. They can't live without knowing the truth.
Oh, no, you don't. Get her!